Lighted keypad. Hearing aid compatible. 3 touch memory buttons. Black. The AT&T Corded Trimline Phone with lighted keypad, black, provides reliable, corded operation, eliminating the search for a misplaced cordless handset, while its sturdy construction ensures long-lasting performance. Clean design makes it an easy fit on any counter or wall. And there's no need to recharge or plug into an AC outlet. Top reviews from the United States. Solid construction. Easy installation. The set arrived well packed and took just a few minutes to install. Easy to install. Sound quality very good. Using as wall phone in kitchen. Backup. What I like most about this phone is that no house power is required to use it. The phone operates through the battery-powered modem for up to 8 hours during an outage.